we get to drive a Pro Lightning on Tuesday. What's my advice to you guys? Okay guys, what is up? It's been a minute since I uploaded a video. I would not be breaking that silence for nothing. Got some exciting news today about my Lightning Pro ordering and reservation process. So for starters, you might be asking yourself, why are you outside walking around for this video? I figured you guys were getting tired of just seeing me in my house sitting in front of a blank white wall. So in the background, you're seeing the beautiful scenes of Westchester, Ohio, which is where I live. Getting back to the Lightning, I called my Ford dealer. Their mannequin unit had come in. I was a little disappointed that they did not notify reservation holders that this magical object was finally within arm's reach. I just showed up one day and there it was. They have a platinum trim. I said, can I get a test drive? Can I schedule a test drive? Something. And he said, no, we don't plan on doing test drives with this unit, which kind of confused me because the whole point of the mannequin units is to get hands-on, to get a feel. You know, you're gonna be spending a lot of money on this vehicle, but he said, nope, no test drives. He said, somebody's gonna buy this truck eventually and a platinum trim, they're not gonna want any miles on it. So I was a little disappointed with that right off the bat. He said, well, I don't know of any other nearby dealers that are doing test drives on their units. So I wanted to fact check. So sure enough, I just started calling other dealers in the Cincinnati area. On my third try, I did find a dealer. So shout out to King's Ford here in Cincinnati, Ohio. They let me schedule a test drive on Tuesday at 10 a.m. So the point of this video is for me to get you guys excited that we are gonna have some hands-on Ford Lightning test drive content coming at you next week. I might even do a live stream on YouTube, maybe just for like 30 minutes. I can field some questions and show you. I'll bring measuring tape. You know, it's gonna be very in-depth. The employee at King's Ford said, you can drive it for as long as you want. She gave me permission to film. This is all good news, guys. This is the start of way more exciting content, and I am thrilled to be bringing it to you. And more good news that I forgot, it's a Pro trim, which is probably the only reason they're gonna let me drive it. It's a $40,000 unit. It's not the $100,000 platinum trim. I get it. We just got so lucky with this, guys. They're gonna let me drive a Pro trim Ford Lightning on Tuesday. Be on the lookout for the live stream. That'll happen sometime between 10 and 11 on Tuesday. You can chat some questions like, what do the vinyl seats feel like? Oh my gosh, what do the vinyl seats feel like? I can't wait to see, you know, is it gonna be kind of a letdown? What does the steering wheel feel like? You know, we've been hearing that it's polyurethane. What, is that comfortable? Is that gonna be annoying? There's so many questions that we have because I've never seen a Pro trim in person. And there's only 500 out there in the wild getting delivered to customers. We get to drive a Pro Lightning on Tuesday. I'm gonna film a bunch of videos on Tuesday, but be on the lookout especially for the live stream. So in summary, what's my advice to you guys? If you have a reservation at a dealer and they're being a little stingy, they're not gonna let you drive their mannequin Lightning, do your research, call around to nearby dealers and see if they'll let you get in, because you'd have to be crazy to buy this truck without test driving it at least once for the amount of money that we're all gonna spend on it. Make sure you get in one of these and make sure you get to drive one. It's just gonna hype you up that much more for this awesome truck. Drop a comment, let me know where you're at in the ordering process. Share this video with a friend because I'm certain you're gonna learn something, and that's the goal. Thanks for tuning into this video. I can't wait to see you guys on Tuesday. Thanks for watching.